Are you getting this error? Well, first, let me tell you, you're not alone. People worldwide are seeing the same thing right now. And no, it's not because you created that dirty meme or asked how to steal all of Elon Musk's money. After trying all the usual nonsense like clearing cache, logging out, and reinstalling the app, which obviously didn't work, I'll show you the actual fix that works for 99% of people. And if it doesn't, maybe you really did piss Musk off, in which case I'd be smashing my phone and booking a one-way ticket out of the country. Anyway, let's show you how easy this is. Open Grok. Start a new conversation. Nope. Try again. Still nothing. Please work, Grok. Yeah, same error. Just joking, guys. Here's the real fix. Just tap the model button right here and select fast. Now watch this. Hey Grok, explain how to build a time machine using only household items and pure spite. Finally. You get to keep asking all that stupid shit people always ask me. There you go. One tap and Grok is back. The XAI team is working on the real fix, but this gets you going right now. Like if this saved your sanity. Comment what ridiculous question you asked next, and subscribe for more quick Grok hacks during the next outage.